Does it hurt when the director looks not too happy, like, or you feel कि नहीं अब मैं और करूँगी?
करना है, हाँ, वो तो चैलेंज है ना कि डायरेक्टर को खुश करना है. पहले तो डायरेक्टर को खुश करना है. डायरेक्टर खुश होगा तो ही ऑडियंस खुश होगी.
Is Karan Johar ever nakhush? He looks happy all the time. I can't imagine on the set, like,
No,
is he demanding?
Karan is also very demanding. He knows what he wants. He's also very like he knows what he wants from his actors. And till the time he doesn't get his shot, he will keep on doing.
Like, I mean, how do you tell an Amitabh Bachchan that your shot was not okay, do it again?
Directors know how to say it to the actors, and also actors know in their hearts if they've done the shot 100% or not. And before the director can say, I think the actors are only like one more.
So aren't they in awe of, like, a Bachchan in the set?
Of course they are, but finally when you start shooting, then it's a job. Then it's work. It's like how you might be senior here as a senior journalist, but you are being told that आप अपना पल्लू सीधा करिए, आप ठीक से ऐसे बैठिए, आप अपना lighting ठीक कीजिए. So then they will start telling you and directing you. And we also get like directed the same way कि मार्क इधर है, आप इधर आइए, आपका फोकस इधर होगा. अगर आपका चलने का शॉट है, आप वहाँ तक जाके आप उसको आप क्रॉस नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि फोकस जाएगा. So these all instructions we have to take while we are performing. So it's not easy as if you're sitting on one chair and you're performing. You're walking, you're running, you're doing 100 things. Plus you also have to hit the focus mark at the right time. Plus you also have to make sure that you're not covering the light of the other actor, because the source of light is coming from a certain place.
Listen, you've done it all. When are you directing a film? Like, look, the way you're talking is seedha like, what a director does. I'm sure.
I think all the actors have that experience, people who, are constantly learning. Like I always feel as an actor, how many ever years I'll be in the industry, I will always be a student of cinema. I will always learn with each film, with each director of photography, with each director, with each person I learn, because that is what is my job. When I'm not even on a film set, when I'm on vacation or when I'm traveling, I'm observing people, because sometimes I might see a person and I might say, okay, I want to use this character in my film. I want to use this aspect, this nuance that this person did who I met. I want to use this in my film. Maybe it's a way somebody walks. Maybe it's the way somebody talks. Maybe it's some mannerism that I liked, that I will imbibe in one of my characters. So as an actor, I'm like a sponge. I'm only absorbing.
Don't change the topic. When are you directing? सवाल ये था.
आपका मुद्दा ये है.
सवाल ये था. So when are you directing?
I think there'll be a time for everything. I always say in this profession, never say never.
Okay.
आप कभी भी ना नहीं बोल सकते.
But कोई तो story होगी ना which has touched you that कि मैं ये वाला
not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. I think the kind of person I am, I'll know when I'm ready to direct, or I know when that time will come. Right now, I don't think it is. Right now, I'm very happy being an actor and being directed.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.